Today, I, on behalf of Society for Indigenous People Rights, would like to demand the central government of India and the state government of Assam to release immediately Ranjan Demari, the honorable signatory of the Bodo Peace Accord. Ranjan Demari is a revolutionary leader. He is not a terrorist. He is the revolutionary leader of the Bodo indigenous people. He fought against the government to ensure and safeguard the rights of the Bodo indigenous people. I always respect Alpha, but today in this platform I have to mention the Alpha's movement. During the Alpha's movement, many incidents occurred, many civilians died, but still today the leaders of Alpha, they are not convicted. Why the law is not equal to us, and why only Ranjan Demari is convicted? This is really a discrimination, and it hurts the sentiment of the Bodo people. It is very unfortunate. Even though after signing the peace accord, Ranjan Demari is still behind the bar. He is taken back to jail. What is the main reason behind it? It is very difficult to understand. And what is the mindset of the government? It is not only hurting Ranjan Demari, it is hurting the sentiment of entire Bodo people. So, if it is in this way, then how there will be a peace among the Bodo people? College, university, hospital, or any other kingdom of development works won't be able to bring peace unless Ranjan Demari and other leaders and cadres of NDP are released. So today, I strongly condemn the central government of India and the state government of Assam for treating Ranjan Demari in this way. So this is really a discrimination among the Bodo indigenous people. Because you are tribal, isn't it? Yes, many incidents occurred, and for this, Ranjan Demari is not a culprit. And there is no clear evidence for what purpose Ranjan Demari is convicted. And the main culprit for all this incident is the government, because they are not able to solve completely the problems of the Bodo people. So, we the Bodo people are demanding. We the Bodo people need Ranjan Demari because Ranjan Demari has contributed many things for the development of Bodo society. And he has many more to contribute for the Bodo nation. So at last, I request the central government of India and the state government of Assam, if you really want to bring peace among the Bodo people, then release Ranjan Demari and other leaders and cadres of NDAB. And if not release them, we will not keep silent.